I spent 2 nights in Lisbon City Hotel in November of 2024. The City Hotel, within easy walking distance of Lisbon downtown and just 30 minutes from Lisbon International Airport. The modern architecture and welcoming atmosphere boast excellent accommodation offering individually controlled air conditioning, soundproofed windows, cable TV, safe deposit box, direct dial telephone, work desk, internet access and data port. The hotel also has a city lounge bar serving alcoholic drinks as well as a daily breakfast buffet. Ideal for business trips, the hotel is equipped with a business center, conference rooms. Guests can count on a 24 hours reception. You can use the hotel with a digital card. The room is clean and quiet. The W bed is large. There is in the room TV, air conditioning system, frigidaire, safe and desk. There is a balcony with street view. The hotel offers for you a wide selection breakfast. I was very satisfied with this job. I can only recommend for you the hotel.